Welcome to Mirror True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mirror True Life Story. God bless you. Grandpapa, look at me, Edochie. I'm going to say Grandpapa, not you this time. Yes. You will know the reason why they call Grandpapa. Just take your time to listen. Grandpapa, look at me, Edochie. He look and he say, this woman no get papa, he no get mama. We can do whatsoever we like. We can handle her anyhow we like. Nothing they happen. But as I dey talk to una so, things don't they happen. Grandpapa thought that this whole thing na Mama Rita is about Mama Rita. From Mama Rita now, matter don't turn around, table don't turn around against his own son. This man is not after Juju Ekwensu matter. Do you think this man care if they lock Juju Ekwensu up? He not care. This man is somebody that cares so much about his children and can do anything, go any length for them. So, Grandpapa say, he look me Edochie, he look and right, he look and left, he look in front, he look in back. He say, this one no get papa, he no get mama. I can handle her the way I like. True. They started handling her the way they like. Because everything where they plan, now because say backfire. If not be waiting with the talk now. Not be waiting with the talk now we for the talk. They really planned for be Edochie. But everything backfire. Now it make people come they talk and they go another way. You know, say when we they talk all these things, they say, hey, they too lie, they do they lie. They too they lie, but everything where we talk now, until they write down, then them go look Mama Rita page. She don't they open mouth. Everything where we they talk for here, she don't they talk am. Before they try to they cover am, she don't they talk now. Go look am. Go read all the paper, everything where she they write. Go read and come back and see what is different for what we've been saying since then. When we they talk Ajah, they say, hey, Ajah, I beg you. Today, uncle, everything we said, where is the lie? That is what I'm asking. Where is the lie about what we said? Can somebody show me where the lie dey for here? Shame Mama Rita don't they talk with him at now. So this man look me, Edochie look am. They succeeded. When she do the first video, come and say she was depressed. They say enter us. Enter us. They thought they were winning the battle. Even when they go sue Mama Rita, they were thinking that, oh, Mama Rita, we going for it, Mr. Obasi, we going for it. God not dey sleep. God not dey sleep. The God of me, Edochie, they fight big battle. Now the table don't turn around. I wish now only sue the sue for bigamy. If for good though, I wish they only sue this man for bigamy. Now that one we for just the talk. But the fact is that the evidence behind the bigamy are dangerous. The evidence behind the bigamy is scary. Scaring. This man no go see head for it. Hey, my people, God go bless me nation. But the ones where come, where don't go, I don't care. As long as you fair use this your mouth, they stand for me, Edochie. Even if you go, God will bless you. Anything will make you go is best known to you. But for you to genuinely stand for me, Edochie, before, God will bless you. You are a warrior. A big warrior. Waiting there for do this woman. Waiting there for do this woman. This woman enemy for don't buy. They were not there to teach her a lesson. They were not there to deal with her. They were there to remove her from the surface. They were after the money, the properties. They were there to totally cancel her. The evidence they show. The evidence are scaring. The plans, the evil plans, the gathering, the evil gatherings. This time around, courts go believe Juju. They say they know they talk juju for court. There are some kind of things you pronounce before juju. Now Africa we do. Now Africa. Even George wey sit down for there no say if you use Bible and you use juju to swear, now juju go fake by the person. George no. There are scary things, my people. Hey! Ewo! 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 Scary things. Mokuna see evidence. Oh! Evidence. The way God say save me, Edoche, I don't understand. I don't know. The way me Edoche take their life. Now make that woman sometimes she go just stand, she go just come out, she go just dey dance, dey praise God. You don't know what people are going through. You don't know what people see in the name of marriage. Juju ekwensu. So your desperation for you was that much? That much. They say if you see evidence. Evidence na water. Everything don't they come aside. Grandpapa got to find out that there are many scary evidence about his son, about them that is about to be exposed in the courts. Not in the social media. Not talky, no gossip. In the courts of law. After they don't tell and say, see evidence when it come aside. Grandpapa turned around, this old man turned around and said, the only solution right now is for me Edoche and Yul Edoche to form reconciliation. Hey! Oh! He said the only solution, because there is no other thing that can stop Amobingo from not paying for what he did. This man said the only solution is for me, Edoche and Yul to come out and be a couple again. May they just come. May they go court. May they say they don't settle. Make matter close down. That is what he's calling for. Now, Grandpapa automatically know that his son is a prodigal son. That his son is a betrayer. Now, Grandpapa is saying that if he had known, he would have interfered so deep into this matter. He would have put his son in order. But he is a man that don't want to interfere into the life of his children. But where he for come mistake, now his silence. Now I know say he's supposed to take drastic action on this matter. Now he's saying the way this matter they go is gonna wound a lot of people. He said this matter need to come to an end. And the only way now, where this matter, the Ojo reach court, it go just end. Me Edoche will say, me and my husband, we don't reconcile. Husband and wife that have reconciled, your own are to let them be. According to Grandpapa, because for court fit talk another one. I don't know. The law, every day they change. Maybe there is another law now we go say, no. Now we they handle the polygamy case. And we go talking like this. But Grandpapa now is believing that if May and Amobingo settle, polygamy case close. Evidence close. Evil altar close. Grandpapa is trying to protect his son. His son went far on May Edoche. The evidence is shock. He is now begging. He don't go pack elders. Say me they come beg May Edoche. All those Nollywood old men, he go pack them join body. Say me they go they beg May Edoche family. May they beg May Edoche say it's time for reconciliation. So that this family no go tear, no go scatter finish. According to him, the family is already torn apart. Everything does scatter. The family don't turn apart. He said, make me Edochie not allow this one happen. Everything will scatter. Me Edochie should not allow it. She should not permit it. The tears will be a generation tears. The enmity will be generation enmity. The disaster will be a generation disaster. Make me Edochie name not come be name that the Edochie family will live to remember as a woman that scattered and brought calamity upon her home. Now, dear, now me Edochie family charge like wolf. They charge like a hungry tiger. Hey, they won't grandpapa. Say, come, if me Edochie parents are no longer alive. She came from a family called Aligwe. So with all this dangerous thing your son did, planning evil on how they go to remove me Edochie. Una know say me Edochie sister, they live for the same house with Yul Edochie and me Edochie. Me Edochie get junior sister. Una never see her for social media. She not there social media for a reason. She come at one time, they show her face, but she's not on social media like that. You know why? She gathered the evidence against you. She gathered the evidence. All the secret phone call where Amobingo they go they do with Juju Ekwensu. He never knew it was under record. All of the dog come aside. You know, say at the very beginning, they were telling me Edochie, release everything, release evidence. There is time for everything. Anybody with body they pepper, they will never get solution to their problem. Sometimes be silent. Pretend as if you know hear. Pretend as if you not see. Then your enemy will sit down and say, oh, this one not send me. He go sit down, they eat. At that moment where they eat, now you go strike them. Because they thought that you're quiet, you're silent, you don't have anything to say, you don't have anything to do. Then too they'll go rest. That moment where they eat, now you go strike them. Me Edochie bring this thing now. Real people were so fast, their body they hot. Me Edochie pretended like somebody that don't have anything against these people. She was waiting for the right time. Because then they were ready to go to any extent. They were ready to do anything. They were prepared. They were in war. Now they feel that everywhere don't cool. Now they feel that, oh, we don't succeed over this woman. Nothing they happen again. That's why Juju Ekwensu was so bold to sue people. You will be Olori Buruku. You will be criminal. Anini, highway robber. You go to sue people. Thief. Go to sue person. They thought that they silenced me Edochie. Olori Buruku will go to sue person. She sued because they thought they silenced her. With all the evidence she have, she couldn't bring anyone in court. She just wanted the divorce. They think say their juju was working. They silenced me Edochie. But no, me Edochie was waiting for the right time. A woman that know that these people, then too they wait for the right time to strike. And me Edochie was waiting for the right time to retaliate. Now where everything that come aside. Nana grandpapa say, me Edochie and Amobingo, even if it is not original reconcile, they should do wayo reconcile go court. They should pretend that they have come back together. So that generation disaster, generation dragging, generation kinikon, all the kinikon should not befall me Edochie. Forgetting say na his son, na he be the disaster. By the time you begin to see your children say they no ever sin, those children will continue to bring pain to their parents. Until the day wey grandpapa go realize and publicly say his son is a betrayer. This is how disaster go continue. Say it out. Voice it out. Your son is a betrayer. A betrayer he is. Now say make me Edochie pretend. They know that me Edochie will not accept their son. But she should pretend. Hey, my people, the audacity. Me Edochie should pretend. Say and you don't settle. That generation disaster. Na amo bingo and juju ekwe esu. Na their generation I go face up. Because me Edochie don't use time minus herself and her children come off on her body. Anything wey come happen now, na una cup of tea. Anything wey come happen now, na una headache. That one no concern me Edochie. When we thought we've seen it all, when we thought we've heard it all, you see how they treat orphans. You see how they treat orphans. God go bless you now, my nation. Your voice aloud. If not, these people, they were ready to finish this woman. Just imagine, me Edochie should go to court and pretend, say, Anamu bingo, they don't settle. Make them not talk the matter. All you bomber must be exposed. Evil cannot be hidden for long. The light of God must surely overshadow it. America wonder shall never end for the Edochie family. These people, before you go marry for that family, shine your eye. Shine your eyes. No one to be trusted there. No one to be trusted. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.